Tingles. I'm here today to share with you all some information about this long lace front wig that I've been wearing. Now, just to make sure that I got the name and the specs and everything else correctly about it, I'm gonna read it to you from its packaging. So I've been wearing Magic Lace. It's by Newborn Free. She's 40 inches long, okay? It is a U-shaped lace front wig with a 4x4 lace parting, and it has a hand-tied lace closure. The style name is called MLU08. She's curl iron safe, she's flat iron safe up to 360 degrees, and a color that I am wearing is 1B. This is what the packaging is going to look like. That is the model that is on the packaging. And this is Miss MLU08 when you get her out of the packaging. Now, the only thing I did to this wig was cut the lace off of it. That's the only manipulation I did. I didn't do anything else aside from just cut the lace off of it. And you know, this is 40 inches of hair. And let me tell you, it's doing too much for me. Talking about it is just doing way too much for me and my preference. So I'm here today just to share my thoughts about this wig. Now, I purchased this wig and you know, I decided to wear it for my sister-in-law's fabulous red hot sexy 50th birthday party, in which I did my initial review about the wig that night from me wearing it, and I shared my thoughts. So I want to share that initial thought with you, and then I'm gonna come back and share the rest of my commentary about this wig. Let me tell you about this wig. She tingles. I'm just gonna get that out the way right up front. This wig tingles, 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 and that's probably because it's 40 inches. This is what I'm talking about. Let me pull it around. Look at how these ends are looking right here. I wore her, like I said, for my sister-in-law's 50th birthday party, and I had to keep brushing her to make sure that, you know, my hair stayed nice and sleek like it came out the packaging. But upon wearing her, and you know, she tingles, but I'm not going to give up on it just yet. I'm going to flat iron it and then see how well it do thereafter. But I just wanted to come on here and quickly share that with you all. Now that you've seen my initial thoughts about the wig, my current thoughts are still the same. This hair does tingle very badly. When I initially purchased this wig, it was based off the reviews I've seen here on YouTube of other fabulous, you know, young ladies flipping the hair and being all stylish and cute with it, and I was like, oh, you know, 40 inches of hair, I want that. But none of them in their videos mention anything about the tingling and, you know, what to expect with 40 inches. So I figured just to come on here and share my thoughts with you all about it. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a nice unit. I like the texture of the hair. It's on the light yaki end of things. It's like a light yaki texture, and I did apply some heat to her. I flat ironed her on a very low setting, and even with me doing that, the hair still kind of tingle, just like what you're seeing right now. If I wear this hair, I have to constantly brush it. That's just what it is. I mean, child, I was even on the dance floor at my sister-in-law's party grooving to the music, brushing my hair. In fact, let me just show you that quick clip right here.
Make my round while the sun's out and smoking, man. My low saying, in broad daylight, get right, get life. I'm on the lane, you dirt bike. You try to stop mine from growing up, make your blood stop flowing. Take affirmative action to any ass if you ask it. I become the next.
So you saw that clip, right? I was not playing. I had my paddle brush in my hand, and I was on the dance floor, you know, grooving and still brushing my hair. And then I did the, you know, the flip over hair method. I was just doing the most at the party, but I had a fabulous time at that party. Oh my gosh. So anyway, like I said, the hair texture is great. It's on the light yaki end. I'm still going to keep the unit because I'm not letting my money go to waste. No ma'am. What I'm going to do is go ahead and clip the hair up to the points where it keep getting tangled. So look, I just brushed it and look at that. I just brushed it in front of you and look. So anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to like right about here, which means I will have this much here left to cut, and then I'll come back one more time and then share my final thoughts with you once I actually chop her. But for now, and on that note, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if any of you was interested in my eye makeup look that I'm wearing in this video, the link will be down in the description box below, taking you to that video showing you how I achieved this beauty on a budget eye look that only cost me $2. Yep, and it's down in the description box below. Seriously, this just concluded the video. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget, we gotta stay socially connected, so if you're not yet subscribed to the MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, and keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget find. So I'm gonna get out of here and brush this hair and prepare the cutter, but I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.